Hello and welcome back. Let's do the 4A preview assignment and let's look at the questions. Now there are 4 questions and off the top of my head can't remember if there are multiple parts or not. But let's find out together. So 4 questions, so let's go look at them. Oops. Size it up. All right. Oh my. 3 parts remaining. Means there's 4 parts total. Okay, so let's look at this one. The lifetime risk of developing or dying from cancer refers to the chance that a person has of being diagnosed with or dying from cancer during the course of his or her lifetime, birth to death, or as people say, cradle to grave. The company table lists the lifetime risks of developing and dying from certain cancers and is based on incidence and mortality data of the U.S. from 2010 and 2012. Risk is expressed both in terms of percentage and as odds. For example, the risk that a man in the population would develop bladder cancer is 3.84%. That means he has a 1 in 26 chance of developing it. Or 1 out of every 26 men will develop bladder cancer during his lifetime. Okay, so let's check out these here icons. Okay, well there's the men's data. And the women's data. All right. Now let's see. A, the percentage of males who would develop pancreatic cancer is, this is called a risk factor. So men, pancreatic. So men, males, pancreas, pancreatic. So risk of getting it is 1.54%. Okay. So let's see. Let's type in 1.54. Check answer. Hey! Now the risk of a male dying from it. Pancreatic, male, dying. 1.37%. Again, 1.37% of that 1.54. Percentage of females who would develop pancreatic. Okay, so let's go to the women's one. Pancreatic, oops, 1.5. And from dying of it. Females, pancreatic, pancreas, dying. 1.34. All right. So this one was a exercise in reading a table. Okay, so let's see. 2 parts, 3 parts total. The percentage of males who develop cancer of the pancreas is 1.54%. This is your risk factor. Complete 1A through C. Okay, so now it says round percentage of males who develop cancer of the pancreas to the nearest whole percentage. So 1.54%, rounded to the nearest whole. So let's look at 5. Now the rule is 5 or up or more, round up. Round up, round up. So this should round to 2%. Yes, it does. Write the result as a fraction. So 2% as a fraction, well, we'll take that 2%, divide by 100%. Hey, that's the opposite of doing the odds. And reduce it down. I write 100 as 50 times 2. Of course, the 2's will cancel. So 1 over 50 should be the result. Nuts. Yep. And this is decimal. Well, decimal is easy. Again, dividing by tens, 10, 100,000, just means move my decimal point. So what I'm going to do is take the 2, put some zeros in front of it, take that 2, take its decimal point, I have 2 zeros, I move it once, twice. So 2%, same as 0.02 as a decimal. Divide by 10 just moves decimal point. Multiply by 10 just moves the decimal point. It doesn't change the numbers on top. It just moves the decimal point. So in this case, by 100, 2 zeros, moved it twice. Are we right? Of course we are. Next question. Okay, again, risk, terms of percentage as 1 in so many chances. For example, the risk that a man would develop bladder cancer, 3.84%, 1 in 26. Remember, that was the 100 divided by 3.4. Double check that. .04, so yeah, 26. Oh. 1 out of every 26 men would develop bladder cancer in his lifetime. A male's risk of dying from bladder cancer is 0.92%, so it has a pretty low mortality rate. Which of the following closely describes a male's risk of dying from cancer of the bladder? A 1 in 108, 109, 110, or 1 in 111? Well, let's do the math. 100 divided by the percentage. .0. Doesn't look right. 108.695, which will round to approximately 109. So it must be A. And it is. Oh, clear ink. Last question. Again, same. It's the same. Okay, a male's risk of dying from lung cancer and bronchial cancer is 6.33%, which following most closely describes a male's risk of dying from lung cancer. Yep. Again, let's take 100 divided by 6.33. And it's 15.798. More than 5, so we should round this to 16. So I guess D. Yes, sir. And that completes 4. Now, in the event you get these wrong, done in the past also, in previous videos, if you get it wrong, you can always there's always one other question that's in there. And see, similar question. So you have a second chance of getting things right. Okay, that completes Part 4A preview assignment, both the video for the tutorial and the video for the questions. Good luck, and I will see you on the next video.